Maintaining your Brother embroidery machine is essential to keep it running efficiently. Today we're going to be looking at maintenance, specifically oiling your machine. Behind here is the bobbin area, and if we just open the little door, we can see there's our bobbin and the bobbin casing, and that is commonly known as the race. And here we can see some instructions on the inside of the door as to where we're going to place oil. Embroidery machines need to be oiled before every use. So if you use your machine on a daily basis, oil it every day. If you don't, then just make sure you oil it before you start using it. You can't use any oil on your sewing machine. We have to use sewing machine oil, and here we've got some oil that's for Brother sewing machines. So to oil the race area, we're just going to follow the instructions, and we're going to place one little drop of oil down the side here. We don't need to add too much because we don't want any excess oil to get on our sewing projects. So every day before use, just put one little drop of oil on, and it's also useful to do that after you've changed a bobbin as well. Another area that needs oiling occasionally is above the needles. We can see here there's a little pad, and sometimes that gets really dry if you use your machine a lot, so it is useful just to pop a little spot of oil on there every now and again as well. Oiling your machine is that essential. When you first turn on your embroidery machine, you will get a reminder to oil the machine, and here we can see gone to the help screen, and here we're on maintenance, and there are a few other pointers of how to oil the machine and places that we can clean out just to keep our machine running efficiently.